Hello everyone. Just like we check our code styles with ESLint, we can check the style of our CSS files with Stylelint. That's what I suggest we set up. Let's connect it. Create a script in package.zone that will check our styles, and also make it so that these styles are checked on commit. Everything like it was with ESLint, but now with Stylelint. So let's install the corresponding packages. It includes Stylelint itself, its configuration that harmonizes with Prettier, and some standard config rules. And we install it with a developer extension because we only need it during development. So, while it's installing, let's add the corresponding script to package.json. Let's go to package.json, specifically our French one. Well, I think it makes sense to add it right under the linter. So, what's here? We call Stylelint, and we also cache everything, specifying where the cache location should be hidden from our eyes. And also specify which files need to be checked. But this is all with CSS files. Okay, let's try to run this script and see if it complains about anything. By the way, yes, when using Stylelint, you'll find this extension handy. In Scode, which will suggest directly in the code if something is wrong. And, by the way, before running it, of course, we need to create its config file, because we installed it, but haven't created the config file yet. Let's create it, like this, stylelint rc.yml. This is a set of rules that override the existing ones. I've gathered some of them with experience. Here they are. I'm comfortable with them. You can play around and set the ones you need. But the main thing is that there should be some rules. And your code will have a consistent style with all your friends and colleagues. All right? Save it. And let's go, for example. I'll show you what it might complain about. That is, if, for example, you don't put a break here, it will say that it lacks a break here. Now let's check with the script we added. And we named it Stylelint. So pnpmv Stylelint. Let's see if it complains about something. Oh, it complains about a lot of things. Well, at least it's definitely complaining about something on line 12. This is the error we added. And it also complains that we always write with CSS at the end of the file. It says that it might not be necessary. Let's check if removing it. Will our vars.css file display properly? Yes, it will. Great. Well, basically, it's not complaining about anything else. For this script, if you add the command, fix here, like this, it will fix everything it can fix on its own. But we're not going to add this here. Oops. Okay, but we're not going to add it here. We can always add it when we run this command ourselves. That is, right here. pnpmv Stylelint fix. Let's see how he handles it. Oh, he managed to fix everything on his own. He placed a line break here. He removed the semicolon from all CSS, and we're satisfied with that. Everything. Stylelint works. The only thing is let's add to our lint-staged RC the requirement to run this Stylelint during our commits. Then the final content will turn out like this. We just have .css files. We need to run Stylelint through them and also Prettier. All right, save, done, added Stylelint. Let's introduce an error here for testing purposes. When I save, okay. Anyway, we saved our errors. And try to commit. Let's call this, added all files. Git commit message, add Stylelint. And as we can see, it corrected everything itself. No clutter comes up, so it doesn't interfere. Only helps. So, we've added Stylelint. Now all our code has a consistent style. We are very pleased with this. And moving forward, thank you all.